Starfish. I call it. And then next. Octopus. I call it.
There is blowfish.
No, blowfish.
Balloonfish.
Oh, balloonfish. Oh. I call it.
There is whale.
Well,
With dolphin.
I call it.
There is whale.
Well,
No, where is that one?
well, is this one?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
I think this one.
Starfish is that one.
Oh, starfish?
Yeah.
Oh, so
There's starfish.
starfish?
Yeah.
Okay.
Where is whale. Where's whale?
Well,
No, it's not no whale. It's that whale.
oh, this one?
Yeah.
Oh, really? I think this one.
No, it's the. Look, mommy, look.
Oh, in Japanese, ika? How do you say in English?
This one is squid.
Good, squid. Okay.
Go. This is whale.
Well, I call it.
Where
And the last one is?
is
Squid.
squid.
Okay. Yay!